FT1202HC type installation. Between the machine and the board, there are 2 screws. We need to unscrew them first. The tool is a 19 wrench. Remove the rubber pad from the accessories box. Place it at the screw hole. Then unscrew this screw. Put the lifting belt inside. Same on the other side. Use a forklift to place the machine on the stand. Take out the black screws from accessories box. Just screw it in from below. Remove the large hexagon from accessories box. Tighten the screws. Thread stand installation. There are 3 pillars here. Take it off. Then unscrew the screws. The tool is a 5mm hexagon. Put a spacer on the pillar. Then screw it into this hole. Three in total. Tighten the pillar with hexagon socket. Raise the thread stand and place it on the pillow. Then reinstall the screws you just removed. To head C-type installation completed.